Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create profile in Google Chrome. Friends, if you do different work from a same PC or your other family members also use your computer to browse internet, then you simply need to create different profile for each user or work in Google Chrome. So to create profile in Google Chrome, you simply need to open Chrome browser. Now here you need to click on the profile icon. Now in profile you will find the option to add other profile to your Chrome browser. Click on add. Now here you can sign in to your Google account or you can simply continue without any account. Now here you need to give a name to this profile. I am giving name home. From here you can select color. You can also add profile picture. Now after providing all the details, click on done. Now friends, we have created a new profile in Google Chrome. From here you can switch to the profiles. You need to click on this gear icon to manage your profiles. Here you will find all the profile. You can jump to any profile from here. So friends, like this you can very easily create profile in Google Chrome. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.